Good morning, students. So, today for English, we are going to see the supplementary part in term 2 in unit 1. Okay, so the supplementary part is Alice in Wonderland. Alice in Wonderland. So, Alice is a girl who is going to see a wonderful land and she is describing how the land is. Okay, that is what the story is. And this particular supplementary was written by the author Lewis Carroll. Lewis Carroll. So now let's see the introduction about the author Lewis Carroll. So it is an 1865 novel by English author Lewis Carroll. So this particular supplementary part tells about a young girl named Alice who falls through a rabbit hole into a fantasy world. The story is very popular among the adults and also the children. Okay, now let's start with the supplementary story. Now we will see each stanza. So Alice was very tired of sitting near a sister. She is sitting near the bank, that is, near a pathway. She is sitting along with the sister, and she was very tired, and she don't have anything to do. So she don't have any toys to play or some things to play with. So once or twice she peeped into her book of her sister because her sister was reading seeing a book. She started to peep her book, and she tried to read from the book, but in that particular book there was no pictures and there was no conversation. So here in this line, they have mentioned a word called peeped. Peeped is nothing but when we are trying to see something, we call it as peeped. Okay, so peeped means a narrow opening and it is looking very quickly. That we call it as peeped. So there were no pictures. So in that particular book, there were no pictures and also there were no conversations. Conversations, so we all know conversations means talking with each other. So there will be many characters, they will be talking with each other. So these things are not available in the book. So she was very fed up with that, and she was thinking, what is the use of reading a book if there is no pictures and no conversations? So, what she was doing, she was thinking something in her mind, and she wanted to do something which is very useful for that particular day. So, what she is thinking is, pleasure of making a daisy chain would be worth. Okay, that is, we all know there is a daisy flower. So, if we thread that daisy flowers, that flowers will be converted to daisy chain. So she thought that will be a worthful work instead of doing some other things. So what she was doing, she was picking all the daisies from the plants which are nearby. So from the plants, she picked up the daisies, that is the daisy flowers, and she started to make a chain out of the daisy flower. And suddenly she saw a white rabbit and with pink eyes that was running close near her. Okay, so she saw a white beautiful rabbit with pink color eyes. So we all know almost the rabbit eyes will be little red. So here in this particular story they have mentioned it as pink eyes that was running near close to Alice, and it was running there. The rabbit, it pulled a watch out of its pocket to check the time. So what the rabbit was doing, it was taking a watch from the pocket that he was wearing, whatever the dress he was wearing. From his pocket, he took out a watch and he was checking the time. So after that, he shook his head. Shook is nothing but the past tense of shake. So he shook his head and he disappeared into the rabbit's hole. So usually the rabbit will stay in the mud. They will make a hole in the mud and they will stay inside. So it started to shake its head, okay, which is the past tense of shake, shook his head. So he shook his head and he disappeared from that particular place, and that particular rabbit went into the rabbit hole. So this Alice was seeing everything, and she was very eager to see that particular rabbit. Okay, so filled with curiosity, so she was very eager to see the rabbit. She ran to the rabbit's hole and peeped through the entrance. So in that entrance, that is when that hole is going to start, that particular place is called as entrance. So she started to peep from the entrance. Peep means she is trying to see something. So she peeped from there and she was searching for the rabbit. The hole dropped suddenly and Alice fell into the rabbit's hole. So what happened when she was trying to peep the rabbit's hole? Suddenly that particular hole dropped down and Alice fell into the rabbit hole. Okay, so now she fell for a long time. Okay, for a long time she fell down, and when suddenly she came upon, so when suddenly she was waking up, and when she was seeing, there was a little three-legged table all made up of the glass. Okay, that particular three-legged table, which means the table has three legs. The table is made up of glass. So there was nothing on the table. There is only one thing, which is a golden key. So there was on that particular table, Alice was able to see only a golden key. Other than that, no things are available in that table. So when she was looking around again, and she was turning here and there, and she was seeing very frightened, and she was very afraid, and she was seeing here and there. At the time she saw a low curtain, okay, low curtain, and behind it there was a little door, and that particular door was about 15 inches height. Okay, when you measure the height of the door, it was around 15 inches. And what she did was she tried to open that door using that golden key that she was having in her hand. And she was very happy. She had a very good delight. Delight means she was very pleasure to see that that particular key fitted the lock that is present in the door. And what happened, she opened that particular door and she saw a very beautiful garden. So that garden was very good and she was very happy to see the garden, but she couldn't reach it as she was too big. So that door was actually very small and she was not able to reach that particular garden because she was very big. So she was very larger in the height and also the size. So she was not able to go inside the door. And what happened next? She turned towards the three-legged table. So again she was turning and she was seeing the three-legged table. So she found a green bottle. So that green bottle was telling, "Drink me." So drink me, that was magically appearing on it. Okay, that bottle indicates that you have to drink me. So she was very curious. So curious means very eager. So because of that eager, Alice took that bottle and she started to drink the entire potion. So potion means that is the liquid which is a magical liquid and which will heal her. Okay, like that she thought, and she started to drink that particular liquid. She began to shrink until she was no bigger than a doll. So when she, after drinking, Alice started to become into a smaller size girl, and when comparing with a doll, she was very small when compared to a doll. So she became smaller in size. Again, what happened? She opened the door and she quickly ran through it. And she saw a splendid garden. So, the splendid garden, splendid means it is a beautiful garden, okay, very impressive garden. So, she went there and she exclaimed, she was very surprised, why I'm no bigger than the insects that crawl on these flowers. So there are few insects that were crawling, that were moving on the flowers. So she was thinking, why I'm not bigger than that insects, because she became very smaller in size. But the excitement soon wore off. That is, it started to disappear, or it started to decrease. That excitement means that happiness. Alice grew bored with the tiny size. So she started to become very bored because she was very small and she wanted to become big again. So she shouted, when she shouted that I am very small, I wanted to become very big again. So what happened at that time? Hearing her shout, the white rabbit came and he told who ran past her again. That is, before I told you that white rabbit with red eyes passed her on her way. So that particular rabbit startled to come out, hearing her shout. So startled means it got sudden shock. So startled means sudden shock. So mistaking her for his maid, he ordered, go to my cottage and fetch my gloves and fan. So this particular rabbit thought that Alice as her maid. Maid means the person who helps a particular person. So this particular rabbit was having a maid. So he thought that Alice as his maid, and he ordered her to bring his gloves and fan from his cottage. So Alice was she was confused by the rabbit's behavior, because suddenly if rabbit is telling to bring some things, she was little confused. So maybe she thought, okay, I will find some help in the cottage, and she said it very hopefully. That is, hopefully means she was very confident that some place will be there, so that through that place she can go out quickly. So for that, now she is going to the cottage that has been mentioned by the rabbit. Now what's happening? See, as she was going out, she saw a piece of chocolate cake. Oh, what a cake it is! It is a chocolate cake. So that was again kept on the table. Okay, that particular chocolate cake was kept on the table. So now she went near the cake, and she noticed that it has been written, "Eat me." I am so hungry. So Alice was very hungry and she started to eat the cake. Now she felt a little strange and she realized, strange means she started to think something different, and she realized, she understood, oh no, I have grown larger than this house. She cried. So again, what happened? Alice started to grow again, because eating that cake, she was in smaller size. When she was having that cake, she started to grow again, and she started to grow than the particular house, and again she started to cry. So get out of my way, you are blocking the door, shouted the white rabbit. So now the white rabbit is shouting, see, why are you blocking my door? Because she started to grow bigger than the door. so it will be blocked, so the door will be blocked. Now the rabbit was angry and it was shouting, why do you block my door? You go out of the door. So Alice managed to pick up his fan. So she tried to take the fan for rabbit, but immediately what happened, she began to shrink again. So again Alice started to shrink. Shrink means this particular rabbit size was becoming very small. The size of the allies started to get small. But little did she know it was a magical fan which made her small again. That is because of that magical fan only her size started to get reduced. Oh no, I will never get back to the right size. She went looking for help. So again, what she was murmuring inside, that is what she was thinking was, again I cannot come to the older size. Why I am getting a bigger size and a smaller size? So she was little confused. And now what's happening? See, she saw a green caterpillar dressed in a pink jacket. So now she is seeing a caterpillar. We all know caterpillar is nothing but a worm-like body it will have. It is a larva of a butterfly. So now she saw that caterpillar. So it was dressing in a pink jacket. He was sitting on the top of the large mushroom. So there was a large mushroom on that particular garden. On that particular mushroom only, this caterpillar was sitting. So it was smoking a bubble pipe. So bubble pipe is nothing but whenever we are using a soap bubble for blowing, the bubbles will be coming out. Like that, this particular caterpillar is having a smoking. It was smoking using a bubble pipe. So what it was telling was, one side makes you big and the other side makes you small. So he was telling that one side, if you see, it is making you big, and other side it is making you small. So he said to Alice before slithering away. Slithering means twisting or taking an oscillating motion. So before moving from that particular place, caterpillar was telling that one side you will be becoming big and other side you will be becoming small. So she was thinking one side of what Alice called after him. So the mushroom, silly, he answered. So Alice, what she did was she ate a piece of the mushroom. Now she started to eat a piece of the mushroom. Thank goodness I'm growing, she cried. But which way do I go? So she was telling, yes, of course, after eating that mushroom, she started to grow well. And she was crying that which way I have to go out. So that particular path led to the Mad Hatter. So after having that mushroom, after she was growing up, she started to go near a person, that is the person is Mad Hatter. So this is something, a different human being that is present in the Wonderland. So it is called as Mad Hatter. Mad Hatter means a light-hearted person. So the inner meaning is light-hearted person. So other way, if you see, it was reaching to lay March hare. So we all know hare is nothing but it is a kind of an animal which is like a rabbit. Okay, it is a European hare. So usually it will breed during the March month. So that is what they have kept the name as Lay March hare. So one way, if Alice is going, she will reach Mad Hatter, and the other way if she is going, it will reach the Lay March hare. So she is having the two path. So now Alice is turning to find a smiling Cheshire cat in the tree. Now she is seeing a cat in a tree. That particular cat is a Cheshire cat. Cheshire cat means it is found in England. So that particular cat is called as Cheshire cat. And now what's happening? So what it is telling, I will see you later at the Queen's Crocourt game. He said before disappearing. So suddenly that cat got disappeared and it was telling that I will see you in Queen's Crocourt game. So it is mentioning some game. That game is called as Croquet game. Croquet game is nothing but it is we'll be having a mallet. Mallet means it is like a in cricket, if you see, there will be stump. So like that stump, if you see, one wooden long piece with the handle like structure will be present, and using the ball we have to drive the ball using that mallet. That particular game is called as croquet game. So this particular cat is telling we will meet in Queen's Croquet game. Like that it is telling at it, and it is getting disappeared. Then see what's happening. So there was again a table which was under a tree in front of the house. And if you see there, March Hare and Hatter were having a tea. So as I told you, there were two person who are March Hare and also Hatter. So they both are having tea in that particular table. And if you see, there was another one creature. That creature we call it as dormouse. Dormouse we call it as a mouse, which will be like a mouse only, and it will be having a bushy tail. The tail, if you see, it will be very bushy. That is found in Africa. That particular creature was sitting in between the hatter and the hare. Okay, so it was sleeping well, and other two were using that particular creature as a cushion. Cushion means to rest in that particular area, and they were keeping their elbows on it. Okay, they are keeping their elbow. So we all know elbow is a joint between the forearm and the upper arm. So they are placing their elbow on the dormouse creature, and that particular dormouse was sleeping there. So Alice was thinking, only as it's asleep, I suppose it doesn't mind. Yes, because they both are resting on the dormouse, and Alice was thinking because it was sleeping only, these two creatures are able to rest their entire body on that particular creature. And she was thinking, and what she did was, the table was large one. So if you see the table where they were sitting, it was a very big table. But there were all the crowded together at one corner of it. So if you see at one corner, that is at one end of the table only, they were all the three creatures were sitting. So no room, no room. They were crying, and they were telling when Alice was coming. So Alice was thinking that there was plenty of room there. That is, there is plenty of space in that particular table. So indignantly she is telling that. Indignantly means with her anger. So she was very angry because the place was there, but they are telling there was no place. And she started to sit down in that large armchair at one end of the table. And after that, the March Hare is telling, take some wine. So wine is nothing but to drink the fermented grape juice. So the hare is telling to Alice to take some fermented grape juice. So it is telling you have little. Alice looked around the table, but there was no juice that was found on that particular table. And she was telling to March Hare that there was no juice on that particular table. So now the hare is telling, won't you find very civil why you want to sit here? Okay, because without the permission Alice sat on the table, so that was not liked by the March Hare. For that purpose the March Hare is asking Alice, why do you sat here without the permission, without I'm inviting you, why you are sitting on this particular table? So Alice was telling, so it's laid for a great many more than three. That is, your table is very big, and we can sit more than three. So now now the hatter, another creature is hatter. So now the hatter is telling, I will give you a riddle. Riddle means it is a puzzle. So I will give you a puzzle, you have to find out. So why is a raven like a writing desk? Raven means a crow, a heavily crow. Okay, the crow which will be very heavy is called as raven. So why that raven is like a writing desk? Like that it is asking a puzzle to Eliza. So Alice was thinking very badly. Dreadfully, she was thinking. Dreadfully means thinking very badly. And the hatter's riddle, it seems to be have no meaning in it, because the whatever the riddle that hatter was asking had no meaning. So Alice was thinking and thinking, and she told that she did not understand. So what is that particular riddle? So you itself tell the answer. So like that, now Alice is telling to the hatter. So now the hatter and the hare both are Alice sighed very wearily. So sighed wearily means she was extreme tired of this particular question, and she started to tell to hare and hatter. Now she is telling them to tell the answer for the riddle. And now both are telling that we don't have any answer for the riddle. And she was very tired of listening to it, and she was telling, why do you waste time like this by asking a question which don't have any answers? And she continued to walk on that way. Now, what's happening? See, suddenly, when she was going in the middle of the field, so she was going around the field, and when she was going there, she saw the Queen of Hearts was playing croquet. Queen of Hearts means the queen. Okay, we all know the king and the queen. So a Queen of Hearts. So in the card game, if you see, there will be a symbol with heart symbol. So the for all the hearts, this particular queen is the main queen. So she was playing croquet. So croquet, I told you, it is a game. So her guards and gardeners were shaped like cards. So like cards, her gardeners and guards were shaped. So one gardener has planted white roses. So he has planted white roses by mistake. And what he did was, and then he painted that particular white rose into a red rose. So what happened? Off with their heads, shrieked the queen. So off with their heads means remove their heads. Like that, she was shrieking to the guards. Shrieked means with a high pitched voice, the queen was telling to the guard to remove the head, because he did not paint that head in red color. It was white in color. So she is telling that I hate white roses, because she like only red color, and she was telling I hate the white roses. And again she noticed Alice, and she was asking her, do you play croquet? So Alice told yes, and she was timidly answering it. Timidly means lack of courage, and she was afraid of seeing the queen. And with lack of courage, she answered, yes, I will play. But I never used a flamingo or a hedgehog. So now she is telling, I do not use a flamingo or a hedgehog. Flamingo is a long that wagging bird. It has a long neck and also a long leg. So she is telling, I don't play, I have never used this flamingo and also hedgehog. So hedgehog is a tiny mammal that is having very short legs and also a spiny coat on that particular body. Now she is telling, play with me. So the queen ordered Alice to play with her. and let me win and I will have your head. So if I'm going to win the game, I will take your head. So Alice was trying to play her best, but what happened? She has trouble with the flamingo. So using the flamingo, she had little trouble. Off with her head, cried the queen. So now she started to lose her game. Now the queen is telling to Alice, Alice, do you take the head of Alice? Just then a trumpet sounded in the distance, calling court to session. That is now this session. Now this particular problem is coming to the court for the discussion. So when the court is going to start, there will be a trumpet sound. Also, we all know trumpet is a musical instrument. So now everyone rushed into the courtroom. So everyone is coming into the courtroom, and the court is now going to start this particular problem. So what it announced was, it announced the white rabbit. Will Alice please come to the stand? Now the white rabbit only is announcing, come Alice, come to the stand. So Alice is now coming to the stand and she is looking at the jury box. Jury box means it is a court of law, and she have to stand in the particular box to tell what was happened actually in the game. So where the marcher and the Mad Hatter were making noise, they were creating the noise, and Darmouse was sleeping, and the Cheshire cat smiled at her. So whatever the creatures she was crossing, everything were seeing what was happening in that law of court of law. You are guilty. What's going on? Asked Alice. Now she is asking what's going on here. So now the queen is telling, you are guilty of stealing the delicious heart-shaped tarts. So now she is telling, you have stealed a delicious, that is a wonderful heart-shaped tarts. So tarts is nothing but it is a pastry case, that is it is a sweet or savory filling which is filled with the salt item. So it is nothing but a eatable item. So she is telling, you have stealed that particular tart which is in the red color, which is heart shaped a particular pastry case. And now she is asking, you have to be punished. So her head have to be taken off. So how silly, replied Alice. So Alice was telling, how silly you people are. I did not have the slightest idea what you were talking about. So why you are talking all these things? I don't want to, I'm not understanding anything. I was only playing croquet. And she was telling I was only playing croquet. So Alice felt someone touch her shoulder. Wake up. You have been sleeping for too long, said her sister. Now the sister is telling, you were sleeping for a long time and you were having a dream. She told her sister about that white rabbit made tea party, and the Queen of Hearts. They all made a trial with her sister. But paying attention, she was mumbling, and the ally started to stretching her hands, and she started to woke up, and she saw a little white rabbit with pink eyes scurry behind a tree. So scurry is nothing but to hurry up, and she started to see a white rabbit with pink eyes that was behind the tree. So this is a wonderful story where we understand that Alice was having a dream, and in that dream she was seeing all the creatures around her, and how she enjoyed the wonderland. So hope you all understood this particular supplementary story. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.